What's up, guys? Welcome back to the e-commerce bartender. Today we're going to be using our Cerebro keywords that we got from our competitors, and we're going to be plugging it into another Helium 10 software tool called Scribbles. Today is going to help us build our listing, and we're going to be doing the title and bullet points. I'm going to leave the search terms in the description for another video. So let's go ahead and dive into it. So as you can see here, I'm not at the Helium 10 dashboard. Right now I want to show you guys the Amazon Seller Central page where you can find these requirements for your titles and your listing bullet points, just so you know what's going on. Like, as you can see, the first four right here, it's talking about how many characters you're allowed. You know, this is a big one. Titles must not contain promotional phrases like free shipping or 100% quality guaranteed. That's going to protect the customer. And as you scroll down, you're going to see some more tips. They're going to kind of guide you through this process. All the information is on here. So all you got to do is do some due diligence and search it. So let's go ahead and take you to the Helium 10 dashboard. I'm going to take you here just to locate it on your dashboard. It's going to be, where's Scribbles at? Scribbles going to be right there. Once you click on it, like I always do, I've already pre-done all this stuff. It's going to come up with this page. And then you're going to go back over to your Cerebro keywords that you pulled from your competitors and highlight them all. And then you're just going to right click, and then we're going to copy, come back over here to the Scribbles, and we're going to insert it right here. Hit apply, and then you're going to come up with a page like this. So right over here in the left-hand side of the screen, you're going to see how these numbers are crossed out. That's because I've used them in our title or I've used them in some bullet points. I've already kind of done a little rough draft of a title, and I'm going to read it off for you real quick. We got 5mm magnetic balls and 5mm magnetic cube set, 432 total neodymium fidget magnets, Zen toy for stress relief made from rare earth magnets for sculpting mini structures. That's probably a little too much. You could probably hit that up a little bit better and make it flow better, but I'm just trying to show you how this software works. You know, this is to make sure you just have all those keywords that you work so hard to get in your title, so you're optimized. So when someone search up magnetic balls, your product will show up because it has all the keywords. So always make sure, you know, your product listing is going to be optimized. I'm just going to scroll down here just so you can see all the bullet points. And also you're going to have a description, which we'll go over another time, and the search terms as well. Once I kind of, you know, get one of these done, I like to copy and paste it onto a Word document. Some people actually like to already have the listing created, so you just plug it right in there. I like putting it in a Word document just because it just helps me vision it better. And I'm going to show you one more thing real quick. Under here you have a limit, so you guys can kind of just, you know, pick a limit that you feel comfortable with. You don't want to like load up the whole bullet point. You just kind of want to be fluid, like I said, so it's easy to read. You don't want to be putting together thesis papers, just like I made that point earlier. Also, one more thing. You remember the video before when we were looking at our competitors' listings? Pull up that page too, just to get some ideas. Don't copy it word from word. Be creative. Come up with your own stuff. This is going to actually sum up the video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Get ready for another video tomorrow. We're going to be talking more about your listing and how to use this Helium 10 software to make it really pop. Have a great day, guys, and take care.